Welcome. I'm Daniel Minty, cognitive behavioral therapist, teacher, and writer. Our families, friends, and patients sometimes approach us asking what they should do about some crisis in their lives. Should they continue working on a marriage that has become cold, hostile, and dispiriting, or should they leave? Should they carry to term a fetus with a high probability of being born with Down syndrome? Should they enroll in a high-risk experimental cancer treatment program or opt for palliative care? Many of us would be reluctant to dispense advice in such cases. We intuit these are deeply personal decisions, sacred ground on which we dare not tread. While a number of CBT methods can help someone weigh such decisions, they don't necessarily address the original request. You tell me, Daniel, what should I do? I developed an imaginal exposure method that responds to this request. I call it Joel's method for a student of mine who inspired it. Joel is a rabbi as well as a psychotherapist, and many people ask him for advice. The method is a role play, and it works like this. Let's say you ask me if you should stay in your marriage or leave. I invite you to do a thought experiment with me that could shed light on things. To begin with, you drink an entire vial of obedience serum. Having done so, you will immediately and unquestioningly act on whatever it is I tell you to do. The method has 2 rounds. In the first, I tell you to remain in your marriage and work things out. I then ask you what feelings come up as you step onto that road ahead. What do you notice happens in your body? In round 2, I tell you to leave this marriage. Again, we process your physical and emotional response. Finally, we compare your responses to the 2 scenarios, seeing what this comparison might say to you about what you most want. When this method helps, it seems to do so by getting someone unstuck from their thoughts about a decision and reconnecting them to their bodies and emotions. At the end of the day, we do anything we do, not by thinking our way into it, but by realizing we want to move in one direction as opposed to another. Joel's method can help us reconnect with what it is we most want. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, you could give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. You can also subscribe to this channel and receive a note when I post new content. I hope to see you there.